Hi guys, there is a French method of cooking which is called cooking on a string. So I'm going to try that with my burner. So I'm going to use, well, I've used a rotisserie type of flavoring which I got out of a bottle, and I'm just going to hang it on some duck hooks. So this is just a small chicken, and I'm just hanging it from a poker and just put it in front of my fire, and just got a fry pan to catch any drips. I'm going to put an ash guard in front of this as well, but I'm going to give this 1¼ hours and see how he goes. I chucked a few wood pellets, a couple of handfuls at the back behind there to try and get more heat, but the hooks are really quite hot, so I have to use gloves to turn the chicken now. We're running about 40 minutes now. More and more wood pellets have been chucked in to get the fire going. It's a little bit of oil or whatever, fat dripping into the pan there. The smoke isn't going into the house, thank goodness. It's going up the chimney. And I've also got the door and window slightly ajar to keep the pressure negative, positive inside the house. My temperature gun says the skin is 67, 84 Celsius, closer to the fire. Oh, 126 there. Maybe that's... Yeah, maybe it's getting a bit hot. Maybe I need to start turning it a bit more. Not sure if you can see, but the skin is browning up a wee bit. But early days yet. Actually, I'm going to have to be a bit more careful because there are some areas of skin that are browning already. But the legs seem to be okay. I don't need to wrap them in tin foil. We're on 50 minutes now. And you can see that the skin is boiling, I guess, or oils are coming out. More turning. Well, not good. It's been 2 hours and this thing is still only reading 50 degrees Celsius inside, using a meat probe. So I put some more wood on. Get the fire up and going again, hopefully. And I'll have some hotter coals available. Gave up really, and in the end we just chucked it inside the burn chamber with a bit of tin foil. And what are we getting? 74 degrees centigrade. So that's good, I think. Time to eat anyway. And it was cooked inside, no problems at all. So an interesting way to spend 2½ hours. In the end I did actually put the whole thing inside the burn chamber on a bit of tin foil to finish off the roasting. Okay, don't try this at home, and I think I'm going to try in front of my chimney instead. Thanks for watching.